So to put the indoor shelf in, you have to take the rubber pegs out of the retaining pegs. Stick the steel cables in the holes at the pegs, and then move them down into the slot and pull them back towards you. Bottom cables, you do the same thing. Stick it into the hole where the plug was, bring it down, and pull it back towards you so it's in the slot properly on the other side, and put the retaining plugs back in so the cables can't come out. See? Cables won't come out.